Hello, in front of me I've got iPad Air first generation. Today I'll show you how to change Siri language. Let's enter Settings and tap on Siri and search. Firstly, set up Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Okay, now when Siri is set up, you can change her language right here. Tap and select from the list. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.